Hello, it's Andrew here again from the maths team, and today we're going to be playing a version of Guess Who. So here's how you play. As Guess Who is a two-player game, you'll need two of each thing. A game board with the number grid that you're using to play the game, a highlighter or a different way of showing which number you've chosen, and a pencil, so a different coloured implement that can cross off the numbers as you are trying to guess your opponent's number. So I'm playing Imogen today at Guess Who, and what we are going to do first is set up this, so I can't see the number grid that she's working on, and she won't be able to see mine. Mine will be on this side. And first of all, Imogen, with your highlighter, can you highlight a number on your grid, and I will highlight one on mine. And now we just take turns asking each other questions with a yes and no answer and crossing off the numbers that it can't be as we're going until we find out what each other's number is. So Imogen, off you go. Ask a question about mine.
Is your number even?
Yes, my number is even. So at this point, Imogen should be crossing off all the odd numbers on her grid. Okay, Imogen, is it my turn now?
Yep.
Okay, I will ask the question, is your number greater than 25?
Yes.
It is greater than 25, so I will cross out all the numbers less than 25 and including 25. Okay, your question, Imogen.
Is your number below 30?
My number is not below 30. So this is how we're going.
Okay.
Imogen, does your number have 3 tens?
No.
It doesn't have 3 tens. So I cross out all of the numbers with 3 in the tens place. Okay, your turn. Use my pencil.
Is your number above 40?
No, my number is not above 40.
Okay.
Is your number a multiple of 2?
No.
So that means it's an odd number. Okay, next question for you.
Is your number above 35?
No, my number is not above 35.
Okay.
Okay, Imogen. When you add the two digits of your number together,
Yes.
is the answer more than, or is it a 2-digit number?
Yes.
Ooh. Okay, your turn.
Is your number 34?
No, it is not 34. Sounds like you're getting close, so I might have a guess now. Is your number 47?
Yes.
Unbelievable!
Is your number 32?
It is 32. So this is how mine went, and I had the numbers 29, 49 and 47 left to guess from, and I was lucky enough to guess that Imogen's number was 47. So the full instructions for Guess Who are on our website, and you can see the link below in the comments. And within that are instructions for the different versions of the game, so with different game boards ranging from numbers up to 20 to numbers up to 100, and suggestions about what the properties of the numbers should be for each year group. Okay, enjoy that and take care. Bye bye.